Fiverr, an online global marketplace where people can either provide a service or ask for a service, where the prices ranges from $5 and above. The site is primarily used by freelancers who use Fiverr to offer services to customers worldwide. Hey there everyone, I'm Mania and you are watching Techno Mania. So, if you're an on-stream being, then you must have heard about Fiverr. According to me, Fiverr is the best place to do something and have something get done. Even I use Fiverr for some of my needs and it's quite cheap for $5 with $1 fees, considering that if you want to have your work done, then you can do it for cheaply and without any trouble. Fiverr contains various things. You can either search for a service or post a request for people to bill, or either you can select the predefined ones from the tabs. It doesn't matter if you're a business person or a student, you can get your job done here. Also, if you're a freelancer, then this place is the best thing for you to earn some money and show your talent. But apart from all the good things that Fiverr offers, it is a universal rule. No matter how good a thing it is, there has to be some downside of it, and Fiverr is no exception to it. Since I've been using Fiverr for past 2 years, I come across this one special type of category to which I say I can never trust. And if you're wondering that what it is, then YouTube and marketing praise. Yes, this is one category that I was a lot skeptical about, and the reason is not because this is about marketing, but because this category contains most of the scam services. And while I'm saying scam, then it doesn't mean that the providers of these kind of services will take your money and does not give you the result. Yep, they will give you the result, but the problem with that result is that even if you're a newbie in this online video marketing or website marketing, after seeing your result, even you can tell that there is something fishy about it. What I basically meant to say is that most of these kind of services providers are not genuine and mostly use online bots to generate traffic for your gig and then show it as they were doing things for you. But instead they are just fooling you into believing that you are about to become famous. Now why I am so sure or even can justify this statement? So here is the proof. To find out whether these are scam or real, I created a new channel on YouTube specially for this. I uploaded 4 videos on that channel and let it go for a week without any interference. The videos were original and nothing copyrighted is used in them. After a week of exposure, the channel gained around 239 subs with 2756 views overall. Then I went to Fiverr and used a service which is something like I will do a viral promotion. I paid for the service and was told that it will take around 3 days to deliver. And voila! Suddenly after 2 days, the video I used for the service gained around 2000 plus views, and that is in just 5 minutes or you say 15 minutes of the timeline, and then didn't gain a single view after that. And at that time I realized that it is a bot view, because normal views on YouTube are read by view counter, which actually analyze the authenticity of a view by its watch rate and interaction time, and from which country that traffic is coming from. In my analytics for that video, I've seen that from 4 PM to 5 PM of US Standard Time, I got around 2156 views with 500 likes and no dislikes and no comment. Now that is all you need to justify that it's a bot view. But what is more shocking is that my views become negative. And by that I mean is that after 3 days of earning those views, my view count for the video went from 2, 3, 4, 5 views to 4, 5, 7 views, which was really shocking, and even I don't understand why. If any of you know what happened, then please let me know in the comment section below, because even I am a bit confused on that matter. But moving on, I thought of trying other providers, this time with the tagline subs, views, likes, comments and real traffic. And after buying that service, this one was a bit fast. I got around 5000 plus views and 500 subs and some comments and around 100 likes. Though this kind seemed genuine, but it is not. It is also a bot one. Why, you ask? You see, no matter how much it is, but once you start getting exposure on YouTube, your views and subs start to rise too. But in my case, it didn't happen, which basically means that it is a one-time traffic generated from a bot machine. And guess what? I tried 3 more providers too, and after 10 days of $30 spent on the marketing, my stats for the channel were 7456 subs, 35896 total views, 5678 total likes, and 1456 total comments. And after 10 more days with no marketing and just plain self-exposure of the YouTube, the stats were 7567 subs, 36768 total views, 5789 total likes, 1789 comments. And after 5 more days and 45 days of the life of my channel was terminated by YouTube, and the reason was unusual activity and spam and misleading traffic. You see, that is the biggest reason why I don't suggest Fiverr for marketing, because even though the traffic is there, but it is fake, not real. Yes, this will work for you if you want a website to be marketed, but for a YouTuber, I will say a huge clear no. Because if you love your channel, then don't choose Fiverr or any other website which says that they will make your video go viral. Yes, if you really want your video to go viral, then you can use Google's own marketplace called Google AdWords. Here you can put an ad for anything that you want, but you need to have some money to do that. Something like $100+. And it is legal and Google owns it. And all the ads you see on the YouTube, they are there put by AdWords. So yeah, you can get real interaction but for a price. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.